Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making rasta pasta. This is a very step-by-step video. You already know what I'm going to tell you. Mete tabliye kitchen. These are all the ingredients we'll be needing to make this recipe. So let's get started. I'm first going to start off by frying my chicken and my shrimp. Now I'm just adding some black pepper, chili pepper, cayenne pepper to make it really spicy. My chicken and shrimp are cooking, and now I'm adding some bell pepper and onion to give it a little color. Now I'm adding some cheese. I'm gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes before I add in my pasta. Now my pasta is done and cooked. Time to serve it. Now you have a creamy, delicious rasta pasta. You can make this for dinner, at home, or for lunch. This was a very delicious, easy meal. It was definitely spicy. Overall, it was delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe and how it turned out. Until next time, bye.